Hey guys, this is Jay. Today I'm going to give away this super cool professional resume template and cover letter. If you are a channel member means go to the community tab and you will find the link. Simply click and download the files. If you're not a channel member, new to this channel means don't worry, all you got to do is follow me on Instagram and message me there. I'll give you the download link. I repeat, this is my Instagram ID. Follow me on Instagram and message me. I'll give you the download link. Fine, now let's see how to edit the resume template and cover letter. Soon after downloading the file, extract the file. Now go to the project file. First open this notepad file. You will find a font link. Download the font and install the font in your system. Next open your Photoshop. Next open this resume template in Photoshop. There you go. This is what you're going to see initially. Don't worry, just disable the layer. There you go. This is the template you're going to get. Now let's see how to edit the template. Let's start with replacing the image. I'm going to change this image. For that, go to the image group. Delete the default image. Now we're going to drop a new image. Let's see how to get it done. Go to your image folder, open your image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right above our image placeholder shape, like so. Next step, right click the image, clip match the image. By doing so, our image will be visible only inside the circle shape. Next, enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. There you go. Once you're done, click enter. Now our image is ready. Next step, let's see how to edit the text content. To edit the text content, pick the text tool, this one. Now go to the center group. Now select the respective layer, this one. Now you can edit the name, add your name here. If you want, you can change the color. There you go. Likewise, if you want, you can change the designation here. Select the respective layer, give a click, change the text content. Just in case if you want to adjust the size of the shapes means, all you got to do is select the respective layer. I selected the box layer. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T. Now you can resize the shape like so. Once you are done, click enter. Similarly, to change the border shape, select the layer, enable free transform tool and you can resize the border. So this is how you edit the shapes in Photoshop. Next, if you want to change the color of the top bar means, select the top bar layer, this one, double click the thumbnail. Now you can change the color using this color picker. You can go with any color you want. Once you're happy, click OK. So that's how you change the shape's color. Next, let's move to icons. To change the color of these icons, all you got to do is literally same step. Select the respective layer, left side, contacts. There I'm going to select the phone icon, this one. Double click the thumbnail, color picker will show up. You can choose any color you want and you can change the color. So using this step, you can change color of all the icons you want. Next, let's see how to edit this professional skill bars. Go to the respective group, skills group. There select the first group. You can choose anything, top bar, bottom bar. It's up to you. Pick any layer. Now enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and you can resize the shape. As I said before, to change the color, double click the thumbnail and you can change the color. There you go. This is how you edit the resume template. Now let's see how to edit the cover letter. Now go to the project file, open the cover letter PSD inside Photoshop. As usual, disable this layer. You'll see color palette layer. Just disable the group like so. Now using the very same technique we learned a few minutes before, change the image, edit the text, icons. When it comes to the signature part, go to right side group, select the profile group. Now delete the default signature image. Here you can add your signature.png image, else you can print the cover letter and add your signature later. So this is how you edit your cover letter. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, take care.